You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Welcome to the Eternal City of Rome. Today we're stepping back in time to explore two of its most iconic ancient wonders, the Colosseum and the Roman Forum. First, the magnificent Colosseum. This monumental amphitheater once hosted gladiatorial contests for up to 80,000 people. Imagine the roars of the crowd and the sheer spectacle of ancient Roman entertainment. It's a testament to Roman engineering and their love for grand public events. Nearby lies the Roman Forum, the bustling heart of ancient Rome. From the grand temples dedicated to gods and goddesses to the impressive arches commemorating victories, the Forum offers a glimpse into the daily life and governing power of one of history's greatest civilizations. Walk the same paths as Julius Caesar and Augustus and feel the weight of history beneath your feet. The Colosseum and Roman Forum are more than just ruins. They are powerful reminders of human ingenuity, ambition, and the enduring legacy of Rome. Join Explorer Vacations and discover these incredible historical treasures for yourself.